Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. We have now got stage 52 of Hero Collector Negomos's Build Your Own Ghostbusters Ecto 1. Okay, so this morning we did stage 51, which was quite fiddly with the little pipes and everything. Now we're on to stage 52, which should be a bit easier. So look at that. We get this big, massive piece of cardware here. Just fits on the cameras. So yeah, I'm going to open this up in a minute. Let me show you what we're actually going to be doing. So let me get to the actual build part. So, just the one page, not too many steps. Basically what we're going to be doing is we're attaching the rear workstation onto there, DP screws. Then we're going to be putting the actual floor line in and making all of that one part. So yeah, that's going to be with two sets of screws there. It can catch up. We've got NP screws all the way across the back, a couple of NPs just there, and then LPs just at the front there. So we need to make sure we put the right screws in the right place. And that's what we should have at the end of this stage. Yeah, so it's quite surprising how big this thing is. So yeah, it is massive. It must be about that big. Easy. So yeah, let me take it out, get the parts out of the packaging, we'll get everything down and we'll start building. So here we are, got that out of the packaging. It's sort of like a little a beige creamy colour. A lot of people say it does look like Lego because of the little dots on there, but as you can see I do have a couple of little defects just here and here. Wasn't planning on painting this because I don't actually mind the colour, but I might paint it just because of these two defects here. We'll see how we get on. I believe this is going to be covered. Looks like this might be covered. This big one here, the one that's bothering me, might be covered by like the guide rail for where the proton packs go, the gurney bits. So we might be all right. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, go bring back what we made this morning, and that is this part here. This is the workstation. This is just going to go just on the front here. So this way around with the chair. Let's make sure we get this in the right way. It should slot just into place. There we are. So just there, we can flip this over. We're going to put in 4 DP screws in. The first one just going in this hole just here. Get them in sort of loosely. Two more to go. They're right down there. I don't know if you can just make them out, but they are right the way down there. Let's get the one in the corner in first. And another one just here. Is that one in? Just tighten these two up. I didn't tighten them up yet. And there we are. We have our rear workstation just on there. Look at that. I'm going to stick this bit down so it doesn't keep coming up. But yeah, these pipes do keep coming out as well, so I might even glue them. But yeah, that's our rear workstation on there. So now we're going to need to bring in this part here, our main part of the floor. So we're going to flip this over first, which we can do right here. Just like that. Then this part is just going to connect on the, so we want to go, these two get logged into there, just like so. I'm going to put LP screws in these two holes here, and NP screws in every other hole that's on here. So I'm going to get these LP ones in first, otherwise I'll do it wrong, I'll forget. So I'm going to put them in first. Get the first one on. Drop the second one in. There we are. And an NP screw in this hole, this one, this one, and this one. So start getting these NP screws in. Oh, drop that one. There we are. Get that one in. Three more to go. Last screw now, it's going just in this hole here. And there we are. We flip this over, everything should be attached. Look at that. So these cables are going to be going this side. I am going to stick these down in time for the next issue, but yeah, looking very cool. It is massive as well. If I can get it all on, look at that. So you can, I'm going to have to adjust my camera positions when this is getting bigger. So let's take a look at what's coming up next time. If I can read this upside down, I'll be amazed. We're doing the simulation switch control panel and oscilloscope. That's what we're doing next time. No idea what any of them are. But yeah, that's what we're making, is that there next time. There you go, guys. That is stage 52 all complete. This thing is massive now. It is basically the whole size of my A2 mat. It is massive. Massive. I don't know how we're going to get this on camera when it gets to full size. But yeah, we'll have to work on some camera positions when we get there. But yeah, so I'm looking forward to getting all the little gadgets and gizmos built up in the back of the Ecto one now. So yeah, join me next time. I think probably tomorrow we're going to have some more Mike Lane mods. So if you like this video, guys, please leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.